I'm going to show you how to apply the Passion Lip Combo. This is one of my favorite pale nude lip combos, and it does take a little bit of practice to apply. Outline your lips with the Dusty Rose lip liner. If you want to add a little bit more volume, you can overline them in the center. Then fill in the outer edges of your lips. This lip combo is all about blending all the products together, so you also want to fill your lips in just a little bit in the center as well. Lipstick number 1 is a very pale concealer-like lip color, and the secret to applying this one is not using swiping motions, because this is going to create too much color payoff. We just want to very gently tap this in the center to create the perfect ombre effect. The more you apply of this color, the lighter it will be, so it's up to you how light you want to go. I like to apply a little bit more lip liner again after applying the lipstick, just to make sure the edges are really soft and blended. Your lip combo will be a little bit longer wearing if you leave it matte, but to apply the gloss, it just looks absolutely stunning. This is the Passion Lip Gloss, and it's a perfect pale nude pink. A lip combo will always apply unique to your skin tone. So based on your skin tone, your undertone, your hair color, and your natural lips, if you've got high pigmented lips or they don't have a lot of color, that is going to affect the way that the lip combo appears, especially your application style. So just keep that in mind. My lips don't have a lot of natural pigment, and I am wearing a light to medium foundation also with the blonde hair. So I find that the combo on me looks more like a pale, like a dusty purpley nude.